Okay, so we have last 3 questions to do. Okay, question number 4, 5, and 6. I would like you to try them first, but let me lead the question for you, right? According using the guideline. Okay, I will start it for you. Like question number 4. As we analyze it, this is tangent even power and secant odd power. So this is like case number 3. So it says here you are supposed to use the tangent square as secant square minus 1. So what happened there? We replace our tangent square using the identity. Okay, so we start with that. And then change everything into secant. So we are left with here. Okay, so we have, before we are able to use a formula, like this is given in our formula list, consider to simplify the angle so that we can read as a single angle u. Okay, I'm changing it into u. You can use any other variable as you like. Only if we have secant variable u, one single u, du, then you can quote the answer given in the formula list. As for this portion, we have substitute here. Okay, reading as a single angle u. This portion we have done it earlier. Please look back into your workbook page 245, question number 3. Okay, and quote the answer. Right. Let me wait for you. But before that, let me go and start question number 5 first. Okay, before I give you the time, let me start question number 5 for you. Question number 5, as we analyze, this is like tangent power or odd power, and we have a secant. Right? It says here, split a factor of secant tangent such that set u to be secant. Our variable is theta. Why don't you continue? Start with letting u to be secant theta and then change everything in terms of u. For example, here, when we are differentiating du d theta, okay, looking into your formula list, the derivative of a secant is secant tangent. So hence you can get rid of that tangent theta d theta. Okay, so rearranging it so that we can read tangent theta d theta being du on secant theta. Okay, so continue, and afterward we'll compare work. But let me show to you number 6 first. So number 6, as we analyze, this is tangent power half, secant power 4. We have secant with even power. It says here split the secant power 2. So we need to split this power 4 into secant square. And then you are supposed to use the u as tangent. You might have to change this secant square in terms of the formula. Okay, so alright everybody, let me give you less than 10 minutes. Try question number 4, 5, and 6, and after that we will do a very quick comparing answer. Okay, so for this one is a long working for the M, right? We used IBP last time. Okay, I don't want to give a mark. It's a long working, so we got the answer. And for this portion, only if it's a single angle U, then you can quote the answer given in your formula list. Okay, like this one. And then you replace your U as 2 theta. Okay, another way to say your integral secant to theta, you cannot read straight away from the formula list given. Only you have to change it as a single angle U, for example. Right, so for this question number 4 is, that is the answer. Okay, the last line. So it will carry lots of mark with you because of this part. Right, and that will be the last answer. Okay. So how many marks for this portion using IBP and the long working? There are, let's check how many marks did we get last time. So this was our question that we did on the page 243. Okay, and here for the working, we have 6 marks. Okay, excluding the answer, there are 6 marks for the work. So if we take or code the working that we did, okay, let's say 5 marks for the IBP, choosing the correct U and dV and so forth. Here we are to integrate. So this question can altogether carry 9 marks. So we compare answer. So the first mark goes to the U substitution. Okay, differentiate and substitute everything in terms of U and integrate and replace back. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, or you can also leave your answer like this. This is simple enough, right? Okay, so we give 6 marks for it. Okay, for the last question, number 6, we are supposed to split. Okay, so we split and then apply the relevant identity, this part. Okay, and to use a simple U substitution, setting U to be tangent as one statement. Differentiate. Okay, and then substitute everything in terms of a U before you are to integrate. And last answer, replace it back as your tangent x. You can leave your answer like this format or this format. It looks nicer. So it can carry a nice 6 marks. Alright, so that's the end of our chapter 4.6. Thank you.